Welcome back to English and Chill. Today, we are going to the mall with two coworkers to learn some very useful shopping phrases, like how to ask for a fitting room or check if something is on sale.
Wow, Mark, it is, so busy in here today.
It is Friday evening. Everyone wants to shop. I guess.
That's true. I'm just happy to be out of the office.
Me too. But I'm also, really hungry.
We can eat later. First, we need to find my sweater.
Right. A blue sweater. You said that 10 times.
I did. Oh, sorry. I just really need it for the party tomorrow.
It's fine. Where do we go first? H&M?
Yes. Let's go there. It's on the second floor, isn't it?
I think so. Near the elevator.
Okay, so, when we go inside, I need to ask for help.
What do you say? Just, hey, give me a sweater?
No. That's, so rude, Mark.
I'm kidding. You should say, I'm looking for.
Looking for. Yes, that's a perfect phrase.
Looking for. Very simple. Very clear.
Exactly. I'm looking for a blue sweater.
And what if they don't have your color?
Then I ask, do you have this in blue?
Good. Do you have this in? And then the color.
Right. It works for sizes too, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you have this in a medium?
Medium. That's a good one. I'm a large, usually.
Medium and large. Those are the most common sizes.
Don't forget small. My brother is very thin.
True. Small, medium, large. Oh, and extra large.
So many sizes to remember.
It's not that hard. Look, there is the store.
Wait, before we go in, what is that sign?
Which one? Oh, the red one? It says on sale.
On sale. I love that phrase. It means cheaper, right?
Exactly. 50% off. It's a great deal.
Okay, let's find your sweater. I'll look over there.
Wait, Mark, look at this one. It's, so cute.
It's very bright. Is that the right blue?
Maybe it's too bright. Let me see the tag.
The tag has the price. How much is it?
It's $25. That's not bad, is it?
No, that's a good price. But you need to check the size.
This one is a small. I think I need a medium.
You should ask the clerk for a medium.
Oh, look. There is one right here.
Great. Now, you should try it on.
Yes, I need to find the fitting room.
Fitting room. I always forget that word.
Really? It's where you try on clothes, you know?
Right. In my head, I call it the clothes room.
Haha. Clothes room is funny. But fitting room is the real name.
Fitting room. Got it.
Can you wait here for a second while I go inside?
Sure. I'll just look at these socks.
Socks? You don't need socks, Mark.
Everyone needs socks. Especially when they are on sale.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Wait, seriously?
What is it?
These socks have little cats on them. They are amazing.
That's so you. You should totally buy them.
I think I will. They are only $5.
Okay, I'm going to the fitting room now.
I'm learning a lot from this trip, Sarah.
Me too. It's fun to talk about these things.
Wait, Sarah, what do you think of these jeans?
Those look like really comfortable.
But are they too long? I'm not very tall.
You can always roll them up. It's a style.
I'm not sure about that. I'm too old for style.
You're never too old for style, Mark.
Maybe, anyway, did the sweater fit?
Yes. It fits perfectly. Look.
Oh, that is a nice blue. It matches your eyes.
Thanks. So, now I need to pay.
Where is the register? Is it near the entrance?
Yes, it's over there. See the line of people?
Oh, wow. That's a long line.
It's Friday night. We have to wait.
I hope it moves fast. My stomach is.
Don't tell me, are you still hungry?
I'm starving. I can smell the popcorn from here.
Oh, that smell is so good. It's coming from the cinema downstairs.
We can get popcorn after the food court.
Let's stick to the plan. Tacos first.
Tacos. Yes. Let's go pay so we can eat.
One more thing, Mark. I always ask for a receipt.
A receipt. Good. Why do you need it?
In case I want to return the sweater later.
Oh, so you can get a refund?
Exactly. Return and refund. Very important words.
Personally, I'd rather just keep everything. Returns are a lot of work.
Really? I actually think it's easy if you have the receipt.
Maybe you're right. I just don't like talking to people again.
Haha. But it's just one phrase. I'd like to return this, please.
I'd like to return this. Simple enough.
See? You can do it.
I'll try next time I buy something that doesn't fit.
Good. Okay, let me see if I got everything.
Yes, please. Let's review the main points.
First, use I'm looking for to find something.
Right. Like your blue sweater.
Second, ask for the color or size, like do you have this in a medium?
Yes. Medium or large.
Third, always try clothes on in the fitting room.
Fitting room. Got it.
Fourth, check if an item is on sale to save money.
Save money. That's the best part.
And last, always keep your receipt for returns.
Wow, you got all 5. Good job, Sarah.
It's just part of being a good shopper, Mark.
Well, I feel much better about shopping now.
Really? I'm so glad.
But my brain is a little tired from all this English.
I know what you mean. It's a lot of new words, isn't it?
It is. But very useful for daily life.
Exactly. You use these phrases every time you go out.
No way.
What happened?
I just saw a sign. The taco place is also having a sale.
A sale on tacos? Now that is a lucky day.
Everything is on sale today. I love this mall.
Okay. I'm going to buy my sweater now.
I'm going to wait for you right here with my cat socks.
I won't be long. I'm going to use the phrase, "Can I have a receipt?"
Perfect. I'm going to think about what kind of salsa I want.
You're so focused on food today, Mark.
Food is important. It helps me study English, maybe.
Whatever you say. See you in 5 minutes.
See you at the registers. Don't forget.
The receipt. I know.
Good. I'll be here.
Thanks for coming with me, Mark. It's much better than shopping alone.
No problem. It was, what's the word, fun?
I'm glad. Let's go eat those tacos now.
Finally. After you, Sarah.
Have a good weekend if I don't see you at the food court.
Oh, you will see me. I'll be the one eating 5 tacos.
Great job today. You just learned some very important phrases for your next shopping trip, like fitting room and on sale. Subscribe to English and Chill for more real conversations and useful tips every week.